What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video, I have a couple more products for you guys, and they are both from BH Cosmetics, and it is their Take Me Back to Brazil palette and their Club Tropicana palette. And of course, I'm going to be doing swatches for you guys, but I'm not going to talk through the swatches. I am going to go off camera and swatch them for you guys and come back and tell you guys what I thought about everything. And I also did this makeup look using the palettes for you guys, and I will show you guys that tutorial after the swatches. But before we get into the video, don't forget to thumbs it up as well as subscribe if you have not already. And if you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? How you doing? My name is Tony. Nice to meet ya. And let's do it.
Get on me, fall in love with a sucker man, but
Okay, you guys, so these are the palettes right here. The BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and the BH Cosmetics 28 Foiled Club Tropicana palette. Both the palettes are very pigmented, very creamy. The color payoff is freaking amazing. They're consistent, and I just love the way they swatched. As you can tell from this look that I did with them, they're great. The Club Tropicana palette is a limited edition palette, so if you are looking to get this palette, get it now. But they bring it back only for a limited time, so make sure you grab it if you want it. These get sold out quickly, so if you're looking to get it, go snatch it. But these are very good colorful palettes to have in your makeup collection. All the colors are very pretty. I would highly recommend them to anyone who loves colorful look, or even if you're a neutral person and you just want to try colors. These are a very affordable option rather than paying out so much money when you're not going to use them as. And like I said, I did do this makeup look using these palettes for you guys, so let's get into it. Okay, and starting off as per usual with my eyebrows done and my eyelids primed for eyeshadow, I'm going into these two yellow eyeshadows out of the palette and placing that into and above my crease area and building it up. Next, I'm taking this orange shade and packing that as much as I can onto my lid. I'm kind of blending it up into the crease area and blending it out just so everything can be even. And with my face completed off camera, I'm going into this purple shade and placing that into my lower lash line. And again, just building it up. Next, I'm going into this deeper purple shade and this blue shade and placing that directly onto my waterline just to smoke it out a little bit. And now going back in with that lighter purple shade just to blend everything together. And here I'm taking this champagne color and popping that into my brow bone. And putting that same color into my tear ducts. And this is the completed face. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and thumbs it up, as well as subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.